So I've got this Gardena retractable hose that Gardena sent me. I'm going to do an install video. I've been using it steady for about a month and it's been so great. I don't have hoses lying around in my driveway anymore. It retracts super easy. It's got the corner block that makes it go around corners so without just scraping against brick walls and stuff. It's overall been the best, and the Gardena rep told me you can get these at Costco now, I think, in Canada too. So check all that stuff out and enjoy the install video. 30 meter, 100 foot one, which should reach my whole property on my house. So here's what it looks like outside of the box. It's going to pivot around this after we drill this into the wall. The best part is in the box, this panel right here is a template. And I don't know how to drill and install stuff. So here are the screws for it that came with it. Got my stepdad coming to drill it into the wall with the proper drill bits and everything because he's a contractor, he knows what he's doing. And then this can go around the corner to string it through so it doesn't scratch against the corner of a wall or something. And this part will go right to the wall wherever you have your water already. And here's the retractable part. So now that we have that, we've got our screw washer, our 10 mil. Then we add that, get that in there. So I got all the screws in there loosely. Now I just gotta tighten it all up. Okay, so this is all tightened up. Yeah. All right, now let's throw it on. Here it is, and slides in. Full pivot. Wow. Okay. Perfect. Okay, now I gotta attach this to this one right here, which is nice because it comes with a quick release. And I'm gonna keep this timer here for my veggie garden. Now time to test this out. Lucky for me, it already comes with a Gardena quick release, so. And let's turn it on and see what happens. Oh, you can hear it all filling up. No leaks, and I'm gonna bring this to the backyard and test it out. I'll need to install one of the corner things here, but let's keep going. All right, pulled out a ton of hose, so let's get these hydrangeas. Perfect. And with the last little bit pulled all the way out. That's all of it. And I have just enough to reach the border of my property. So that's perfect length. 10 out of 10. Let's pretend I'm done and wrap it all up. Damn. Put it away. Good to go. 10 out of 10 Gardena retractable hose. I love this. Perfect distance and very easy to put away. All the quick releases I love and use. What more could you really ask for? Okay, so I'm going to install this thing on this joint right here so that I can easily get around without scraping this up all over this brick corner. And you can just slide it through any way you want. With a quick release, it's perfect. By the way, you gotta have these carbide drill bits or you're not gonna get through a wall. Pro tip, use another drill bit to hold it in place once you have one drilled in. And that way everything lines up. Okay, 4 anchors in. Now I'll screw these in and see how this works. Okay, so now I've got the corner mount installed. So when I just yank on it, from anywhere. Perfect. It doesn't drag. Works great. I can just yank this as far as I need to. And I posted all this review stuff and install stuff to Instagram a while ago, and since that I think like 10 people have bought them. Everyone's been pretty stoked on them. So, you know, check it out. And if anybody else wants to send me more gardening stuff to test out, I'm down to do some reviews and stuff like that. Also, I've just been connecting this to my timer, and that's been pretty awesome. I can go from timer to non-timer anytime I want.